welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope viewers you all fine and doing well. Today we are exploring the art of plant decoration. How to use indoor plant to elevate your home decor and create a refreshing green oasis. Whether you are a plant lover or just looking to add some greenery to your space, we have got some fantastic idea for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about plant styling. One of the simplest way to enhance your decor is by using plant to create visual interest. Grouping plant of different heights and texture can add depth to any room. Try placing taller plant like a feather leaf fig in corner to draw the eye upward, while smaller plant like succulent can be showcased on shelves or tables. Next, consider using hanging plant to add greenery without taking up floor space. Plant like pothos, spider plant or Boston ferns look stunning in hanging basket or wall-mounted planters. They are perfect for brightening up empty corners and creating a cascading effect that add movement to your decor. For a touch of elegance, try incorporating plant stands or pet settle. These come in a variety of styles from sleek modern design to rustic wooden option. Elevating your plant not only showcase them beautifully but also help them thrive by allowing better air circulation and access to light. Another great idea is to use plant shelf. These can be simple floating shelves or tiered shelving units. Arrange your plant at different heights to create a lush, layered look. Mixing in decorative pot and planter can enhance the visual appeal and tie the arrangement into your existing door. Don't forget about the plant walls or green walls. These are the perfect for creating a stunning focal point in any room. You can use wall-mounted planters, vertical garden system, or even repurpose old crates to build your own plant wall. It's a bold and stylish way to bring a natural element into your home. If you are short on space, window sills are ideal for plant decoration. Choose plants that thrive in bright light like herb or small succulent and let them enjoy the sunshine when adding charm to your window. For a cohesive look, use matching pots or plant trays. For a unique touch, try using plant vase. These can be filled with a variety of small plants like air plants, succulent or moss. Vases come in various shapes and sizes, make them perfect for coffee table, desk or as a decorative centerpiece. And there you have it, some creative and stylish way to decorate with plants. Incorporating greenery into your home not only enhance your space but also improve air quality and add a calming touch to your home. Let's discuss plant arrangement. Arranging plant in cluster can create a dynamic look. Combine plant of varying heights, textures and colors for visual interest. If you want some theme for your plant decoration, for example, mostly people like modern touch in their home. They want plastic pots. For example, they want plastic pot in white color, black color and brown color. These are the basic color they want their plastic or pots in. Use plant stands or tables to group them together and create a focal point. Consider mixing different type of plants such as tall with smaller ferns and pothos. If you are a fan of vertical decor, try incorporating a plant ladder. These stylish pieces not only add greenery but also provide multiple levels to showcase your plants. Arrange them by size or color for a cohesive look. These methods work great in small space and adding both style and function. For those who love a bit of whimsy, consider plant themed decor. Use decorative pot with fun pattern or color to complement your plant. You can also use plant hanger made from macrame or colorful yarn to add a touch of personality. Plant pot with unique design like animal shape or geometric pattern can serve as conversation starters. Another fantastic idea is to create a plant centerpiece. Use a large plant or a collection of smaller ones to make a statement on your dining coffee table. Adding a mixture of flowering plant or colorful foliage can make your centerpiece pop. Just be sure to choose plants that won't overwhelm your table or block the view. For a more structured approach, consider plant frames or plant grids. These can be wall mounted or freestanding and allow you to grow a plant vertically. They are perfect for creating a lush green backdrop or adding a bit of nature to a blank wall. If you have a sunny balcony or patio, you can extend your plant decoration outdoors. Use large porch or raised planter to create a mini garden. Adding hanging basket or window boxes with flowery plant can